Welcome to the Thursdays Food Show. Today we're going to make a healthy breakfast for my mom. And myself.
And myself.
For today's recipe, we've got some milk, some warm milk, we've got some pomegranate.
If you don't know what it's known as, in this country it's called known as anar or olive anar.
And we've got some bananas. And for the main part, we've
And
got
you need to
vitabix.
And you need to peel the banana skin off like we've done here.
Okay. What's that?
This is vitabix.
Vitabix. And
And you need
this
to
is pomegranate, known as anar in different countries.
yeah.
First, we're going to get some milk and we're going to pour it in. It's your decision whether you want hot or cold. We're going to give a healthy amount because you don't want too much. Yes. After that, we're going to add some Weetabix into. Instead of adding sugar, we're going to add some bananas because we need to try and be healthy. Straight after that, you're going to add some anar. It's your decision how much you want to add, but in today's serving, we're only going to add 1 to 2 servings. Finally, you have your lovely breakfast. Enjoy it. Enjoy.